सेठ ये है और सेठ नहीं करने देता फलाना, मतलब सेठ है बस बुरा, विच इज ठीक है। और जब आपके पास पावर आई है तो आपने भी कोई कम तो कुछ नहीं किया। सो देन लाइक यू नो,
But here's the thing.
मैं शादी करने
So
के लिए
you
तैयार हूं,
talk
अम्मी नहीं
about.
मान रही।
Influence is the only term which kind of describes what someone should be feeling. Like they're feeling influenced by whatever you've done. Content creator is more like describes what you're doing as opposed to anything else. It's like not calling yourself a lawyer, calling yourself a justice provider, which is kind of like presumptuous in the sense कि हाँ जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उससे actually justice create हो रहा है.
आई एम जर्नलिस्ट, मेरा काम स्टोरी बताना है, कंटेंट, बट नो वन रियली केयर्स। हम जितना अच्छा मर्जी यहाँ विजुअल बना लें, बट उस दरवाजे से अगर अंदर ही कोई नहीं आएगा, तो यू नीड टू बी अ मार्केटर, यू नीड टू नो लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिजाइन, थोड़ा सा एंगलिंग बताओ, ऑडियंस क्या देखना चाहती है, नए प्लेटफॉर्म्स क्या हैं, एआई क्या कर रहा है, अल्गोस क्या कर रहे हैं, सो वो हर चीज। सो अब लाइक टेक्निकली इट्स गेटिंग लिटिल डिफिकल्ट।
Sometimes it's not even news, like I said, it's just BS that you want to hear. And what is the net effect of that? Is that you then eventually start living in a parallel reality. और फिर जब आप देख रहे हैं कि नहीं मेरी जान ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा, it's a real shock to your system.
Doesn't matter anymore. The platform is immaterial. What matters is that people are have way too much information, and they are reacting to it, and that is why they're reacting to it with emotion rather than reason.
मैंने तो ब्लॉक कर दिया सारे।
और मुझे तो फिर भी नजर आ रहा है।
मैंने कहा थोड़ा
सुन रहे हो तो वीलॉन?
नहीं लोग कहते हैं कि मतलब ओह सही हेट मस्क व्हाई आर यू ऑन हिज प्लेटफॉर्म, हाँ तो मैंने कहा भाई आई वाज देयर फर्स्ट, किसी ने जाना है तो हो जाए। ये मेरा घर है, तू कहां से आ गया?
This is a perfect segue into the introduction of this conversation, right? Someone as an outsider, I feel like.
Have we started?
We started.
Oh.
And we'll put, this is part of the conversation. Okay. So now, as someone who has been an outsider, not from, say, this, like as a journalist or anything, I feel like a lot changed for news media October 7th, 2023 onwards. In a lot of ways, where as far as अगर मैं सबसे पहली बात करूं, ट्रस्ट की बात करूं, आई थिंक जो पहले हम बोलते थे, कहते थे हाँ होता है, अब बहुत ब्लेटेंटली मास्क उतर गए, एटलीस्ट काफ़ी सारे मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया के, राइट, विद जस्ट द हेडलाइंस, पीपल हु जस्ट सिट देयर एंड डीकंस्ट्रक्ट हेडलाइंस, दे अलोन डिड दैट. नाउ हाउ डू यू गाइस सी लाइक ग्लोबल मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया, लाइक कन्वेंशनल की बात करते हैं, कन्वेंशनल मीडिया बीइंग अफेक्टेड बाय in the aftermath of like October 7th?
Well, I think primarily what you just said, I mean, there is an absolute loss of credibility. I mean, and you could say that these are things that, one knew to some extent, but now the masks are off to an extent that I think I have not seen in my lifetime.
Yeah.
I mean, just again, Palestinians die, Israelis are killed, a bullet entered the van and hit the young lady. The young lady is 4 years old. At the same time, a 24-year-old Israeli soldier is a young girl. So I think many things have been confirmed. I mean, when we talk about, say, international media or mainstream media, I mean, obviously, there are differences, right? I mean, New York Times stands out as, to me, the worst offender.
Okay.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
I mean, I can quantify that with 100 headlines, but we don't have time to go into that. The rest, some of them, बीच में कहीं ना कहीं आप देखते हैं कि एक किसी रिपोर्टर का ज़मीर जागता है. I've seen things on CNN. But the overall editorial input, I mean, literally runs itself through Zionist censors. I mean, there was a huge scandal about BBC recently, and so on and so forth.
I'm not at the BBC.
No, I'm saying that you may have heard of it. That's what I'm talking about. So basically, I mean, the majority, and German media, by the way, is particularly egregious.
Yeah.
And I think unki national trait hai कि they feel left out if you're having a genocide without them. You know, this is, for example, the third genocide in which Germany has been a major player. The first genocide of the 20th century, I think 19th century, was the Herero genocide in Namibia. That was Germany. Then, of course, the Holocaust, and now this one. You know,
Yeah.
you can't have a genocide without Germany. It's an iterative
Consistently on
one.
the wrong side of history.
Consistently, they played the role that Radio Rwanda played
Yeah.
in the Rwandan genocide. You know, no more, no less. They just happened to have more posh accents, and they wear suits.
So, in terms of how, say, we were just speaking about the public opinion having changed for the first time, right? And I feel like it could not have happened without TikTok. And especially in America and in the Western world, because that was literally the only mainstream social media or like channel through which के लोग जो control में नहीं था बाकी सारे उसके.
Okay, I want to say that we have a caveat here. Even TikTok also censors mentions of Palestine, genocide. This is something.
अब करना शुरू किया
They
है.
do now.
They
हाँ,
they
उस
do.
वक्त नहीं कर रहे थे.
But I want to say that they
और वो भी
have
काफी चाइनीज
yeah.
पॉलिटिक्स उस पे वो नहीं बोलेंगे.
Yeah,
टिकटॉक वहां पे आप उसमें वो
No,
भी सेंसर कर
we've
देंगे. But
experienced
yeah.
this. We've experienced this where we've been downgraded because of Palestine or these mentions.
Is this a
exactly.
recent thing?
This has been. I mean, I have started at a digital media recently, so
No,
it's
but
been the
like
last
how-
6 months.
Last 6 months. This
I don't know prior
this,
to
This
that.
started happening. So what he's referring to, this is something, in fact, that the head of the Anti-Defamation League, which is a Zionist organization, right, advocacy organization, Joseph Greenblatt, a year and a half ago said we have a TikTok problem. That's
Yeah.
when they started exerting pressure. That's when suddenly the entire US Congress was like, oh, this is Chinese. We gotta like take it out, you know. It was like freedom fries all over again.
Yeah.
Right? So that's where it started. TikTok के साथ मैं Twitter को भी शामिल करूँगा, by the way.
ट्विटर तो मेरे ख्याल से is a gone
No,
case now.
Twitter, because I mean, yes, you get shadow banned. Yes, you
But-
get restricted. But the bulk of, I think, that the footage that people are seeing from Gaza over the last year and a half, almost
Yeah.
2 years, a lot of that you can see on Twitter.
I would agree with Zara there as well, that yes, there is shadow banning. But I think just as bad faith actors know how to work around these bans, whether it's through words, through hashtags, I think a lot of people who want to do good work and tell stories that aren't being told on the mainstream also know how to work around
Yeah.
these bans. And those stories are still getting out there.
Yeah.
You know, they're reaching people.
बट पाकिस्तान में ये शिफ्ट कैसे आया है? लाइक आई मीन आई विल फील लाइक कि पाकिस्तान में भी अब ज्यादातर लोग अपनी न्यूज पाकिस्तान के मेन न्यूज चैनल से नहीं लेते हैं, राइट?
कौन सा shift?
लाइक ये शिफ्ट के हम मेन लाइक के मेजर न्यूज चैनल्स को लोग ट्रस्ट नहीं करते या कम ट्रस्ट करते हैं, आई फील. डू यू थिंक दैट्स ऑल्सो मोर रीसेंट और दैट हैज ऑलवेज एग्जिस्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ पोलिटिकल बायसेस दैट पीपल एसोसिएट सर्टन न्यूज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस विद? लाइक व्हाई डज TCM exist, why does Nukta exist? Like, you know, कि कुछ तो वहाँ पे आपको मार्केट में गैप नजर आ रहा है ना?
But
I
that's
think,
different from social media now.
Yeah.
Because you're talking about social media, these are like sort of like digital platforms.
These are digital platforms, but उसके अलावा we also have journalists who are just leveraging social media and they have their own thing. Like I'll say Adil Raja on one end of the spectrum, Asad Tur on other end of the spectrum, just or closer to each other in the spectrum, but different reporting generally.
I think the whole definition of journalism, मुझे तो लगता है वो change हो गया है. Like, what is the definition of journalism? Especially from the consumption pattern, not from the production end. Like, we as a journalist, या people, journalism as an institute नहीं, but let's say कि जो content consume कर रहा है, उसके लिए क्या चीज़ important है. Now I think he or she, like, they don't care कि आप नुक्ता से आ रहे हैं, आप TCM से आ रहे हैं, आप बिलावल से आ रहे हैं, आप शहबाज शरीफ से आ रहे हैं, आप किसी ब्लॉगर से आ रहे हैं, आप टिकटॉकर से आ रहे हैं. उसका कंजम्पशन पैटर्न जो है वो उसको जहाँ से इन्फॉर्मेशन का इन्फ्लक्स नज़र आ रहा है, आई थिंक वो बिहेवियर ही चेंज हो गया. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट डज दैट इवन लाइक, एंड दे डोंट इवन वांट टू नो कि आप कितने क्रेडिबल हैं. उसके सामने तो चीज़ आई, आपने उसको आगे किया, आप अगली इन्फॉर्मेशन के ऊपर चले गए.
I would agree. And I would also add that if you're thinking about a shift where we could sort of maybe pinpoint a timeline, sort of, that's what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Right? There's two things that have happened concurrently that are really important. A is 4G.
हाँ, 4G आ गया.
all
4G,
right? That's so the technology is really important. We
Yeah.
can't forget that that's
Of course.
partly why it's happened.
Yeah.
And then obviously there is people being taken off air and then choosing social media as a way where they can do some kind of journalism.
Yeah.
And that sort of shift happened 2018 onwards, I would say. And you can see that just in terms of obviously mobile usage, mobile phone usage or internet usage, how people use it. Obviously, we know it's a phone. 2018 elections, and then we look at the numbers and statistics in terms of the 2024 elections, massive. I mean, there's been 70 millions of people, or more people are using the
phones.
internet.
Yeah.
So that loss of credibility, it is an intersection of both technology and the loss of credibility, because the mainstream media was not serving people's interests. They weren't getting the kind of news that they wanted. The polarization that has something to do with it. So it meant that there are spikes in terms of specific audiences for specific channels that clearly have a certain agenda. But then it also meant that that loss of credibility happened and people started to turn to social media to find news that they couldn't find. And as an example, I mean, when I was doing television for very briefly for 4 years, we were asked to be very careful about how we covered TLP.
Yeah.
Right? And their protests. Now, people were interested in that information, but we were supposed to be careful. And as a responsible journalist, I would say that we weren't trying to promote a particular agenda. We were serving people's interests or hunger for that information. If I'm not going to provide it, then people will turn to social media. It's as simple as that. So it is a combination of censorship, loss of credibility, and use technology.
I'd also add that, for the ease of discussion, we shouldn't use the term journalism so loosely. We're really talking about the information business or the information ecosystem, and I'll explain what I mean. आपने आदिल राजा का जिक्र किया, ठीक है? He has an opinion. He has racks up some significant numbers. It's not journalism.
Yeah, it's not journalism.
Okay, so let's be clear about that, right? अब इसमें क्या है कि we've been building to this for a very long time. Back in 1995, an MIT technologist, something Negroponte, came up with the term the Daily Me. Okay, and he posited that in the future, which we are unfortunately living in right now, you will have a customized newspaper catering to your interests, Now, he looked at it fairly benignly, कि यार अगर तुम्हें sports की news चाहिए तो तुम्हें सिर्फ sports की news मिलेगी. If you follow the stock market, This is what the algorithm has done for us, right? So it's more or less came true. Now, when you apply that to political ideologies and beliefs, then you're in trouble, you see, because now what you find is you have these impenetrable spheres, right? A group hai, they are just WhatsApping each other, news that say is favorable to the PTI. I wouldn't even call some of it news, कि जैसे अभी अगर मैं आज की बात करूं तो उनके ग्रुप्स में क्या गर्दिश कर रही है कि the IMF has said that we want to meet Imran Khan in Adiala jail. Okay? अच्छा, ये वही कौम है जो एक हफ्ता पहले कह रहे थे कि बस अभी आप देखना यूएस कांग्रेस में ना सारे पाकिस्तान के मिलिट्री लीडर्स को सैंक्शन होगा. ये वही कौम है जो कह रहा था कि जैसे ही डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ऑफिस में आएंगे पहला उनका काम होगा कि ओए रिहा कर इमरान खान को. ठीक है? Now there is a demand for this. So where there is a demand, there's going to be a supply. ठीक है, लोगों को हेरोइन चाहिए, लोगों को कोई ना कोई आपको मिल जाएगा हेरोइन बेचने वाला, right? So you have then this phenomenon where you want to hear the news or the views. Sometimes it's not even news, like I said, it's just BS that you want to hear. And what is the net effect of that? Is that you then eventually start living in a parallel reality. और फिर जब आप देख रहे हैं कि नहीं मेरी जान ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा, it's a real shock to your system. You understand?
Yeah.
Because ये ख्याली पुलाव है और ख्याली पुलाव से आपका पेट नहीं भरेगा.
Like, Acha, one question on this. Like, do you think there's actual demand for this?
Oh, yeah.
Like, do you think
Yes,
human beings,
absolutely.
like, in the sense,
Absolutely.
is it because I do not trust a channel which cannot name the most popular politician in Pakistan?
She just mentioned
हाँ
that.
वही ना. So मुझे उस पे जब ट्रस्ट नहीं है तो मैं कह रहा हूँ यार ये तो बंदे का नाम नहीं ले सकते. ये मुझे क्या सच बताएंगे इसके बारे में?
Absolutely, because
देखो इसमें
Right.
there are ways around everything.
Yeah.
Okay, there are ways around everything. आप नाम अब आप ले सकते हैं, बाय द वे आप तस्वीर नहीं ले. हाँ, तो
चले,
एक बड़ा
okay.
फनी तरीका ये भी होता है कि आप कोई पिक्चर लें जिसमें वो बैठे हुए हैं, आप उनकी शक्ल ब्लर कर दें. जैसे कि ज़िया के जमाने में जब लास्ट मिनट पे सेंसर चीजों को रोकता था तो वो ब्लैंक डाल देते थे वहां पर कि भाई हमें रोका गया, आपको भी पता है हमें भी पता है. वो लोग पागल नहीं है, ठीक है. जब नाम नहीं ले सकते थे हम क्या कहते थे? हम कहते थे
कासिम के अब्बा.
कासिम के अब्बा, बानी पीटीआई. अभी भी बानी पीटीआई लिखा आता है. लोग कह सकते हैं इमरान खान, लेकिन लिखा आता है बानी पीटीआई, which is absurd, which is absolutely absurd.
But it's also kind of funny.
People recognize the absurdity of it.
Yeah, precisely that. You see.
But I think I want to take what Zarar said, and I want to sort of pull back a little bit. it isn't just, I mean, yes, the algorithm feeds you, technology is responsible, social media
it's not just
platforms.
that, no.
But I want to say that it's also partly because of social media and the multiple platforms that are providing information. People's minds are flooded and they will react instinctively by feeling alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when they react by feeling, it'll be to confirm a bias.
Yeah.
It'll be it is because it creates some kind of outrage. And I think that actually is fundamentally the problem. The problem is too much information.
And
Right?
this is-
अच्छा नहीं, मैं तो इसको थोड़ा सा, मैं तो एज ए जर्नलिस्ट देखें, दो चीज़ें ना, एक ये कि हम लोग एज एन इंस्टीट्यूट बात कर रहे हैं, एज अ सहाफ़ी, बट ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि जिसने कंजम्पशन करनी है कंटेंट की, अगर हम उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें,
But it is from that perspective,
बट
right?
मुझे तो अब लेकिन ये भी लगता है कि इट्स नाउ नॉट इवन अ मैटर ऑफ अ प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ वो कि ये मतलब ये जर्नलिज्म प्लेटफॉर्म से आ रहा है या ये टिकटॉकर से आ रहा है. इट्स लिटरली नाउ कि मुझे जहां से भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है, द होल डेफिनेशन हैज नाउ बीन चेंज्ड.
No, I
Like,
absolutely
then who
agree
are
with
we?
you.
Like, do I
But
need to call myself a
but
content
then goes
creator?
with
But that's exactly what I'm
That's what
saying.
she's
That
saying.
because people obviously have certain platforms they prefer. If you're a certain age group, you like Facebook. If you're a certain age group, you like TikTok. It doesn't matter anymore. The platform is immaterial. What matters is that people have way too much information, and they are reacting to it, and that is why they're reacting to it with emotion rather than reason.
There's a reason they're reacting to it with emotion, and that is that you know the way dopamine works in your brain. Okay, like for example, say you're an alcoholic, right? And you're watching a TV show, और उसमें एक बंदा drink बना रहा है, right? You will get a chemical hit to your brain saying, "Oh my God, I want this." Okay, that's how it works. Confirmation bias works interestingly in the same way. There are actual scientific studies for this, right? अब ये तला यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. फर्ज करें तला को मुझे नफरत है, मैं जहर लगता हूँ कि पता नहीं मेरे साथ कैसे बैठा हुआ है इस वक्त, हाँ. And he sees a news, or not a news, a bit of information, when Zarar comes home from work at night, he goes out on the road and he murders puppies and then he skins them, right? अब कोई इसमें वेरिफिकेशन नहीं है, कोई इसमें सोर्सिंग नहीं है, क्या है कि बिल्कुल ऐसा हो सकता है. मैं तो पहले से ही कहता था कि बड़ा कभी है. When he sees that, there is a chemical reaction. He gets the same dopamine hit that a cocaine addict will do while watching Scarface.
Yeah.
Or a alcoholic will do while watching Mad Men, क्योंकि उसमें तो 24 घंटे शराब पी रहे होते हैं ना.
Yeah.
You see, that overrides the logical part of your brain. Now, to talk about what Amber is talking about, there is an information overload, but at the same time, there is a knowledge famine. Because let's use an analogy, right? If information is raw cotton, knowledge is when you spin it into cloth. You understand? Information बहुत है लोगों के पास, knowledge बहुत कम है. And we will naturally, due to our body chemistry, our brain chemistry, gravitate towards what we want to hear, something that confirms what we already believe. हम चाहते हैं कि खान साहब रिहा हो, तो बिल्कुल हम मानने के लिए तैयार होंगे कि IMF उनकी रिहाई की बात कर रही है. ऐसा हो ना हो, we don't care.
Yeah.
Right? Now, here's the thing. One has to go past that, right?
And I want to just insert a little bit here, just as a recent experience I had. The problem is that journalists believe this too. And journalists who are more, I would say, earnest than, say, the Adil Rajas, right?
Yeah.
So I had a question from an international journalist who asked me, so, the IMF, do you think that they will be pressured to release Imran Khan? And I said, I wanted to say, what world are you living in? But I was more polite.
Well, नहीं देखो, okay, to give credit to him, her सवाल बनता है.
Sure. I mean, it is a question worth asking, and then you answer it. Yeah.
अब उसमें एक
absolutely.
फर्क है कि मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, मेरी सोर्सेज बता रहे हैं कि IMF ने कहा है कि इसको फौरन रिहा करो.
वरना हम पैसे
उससे
नहीं
पूछो कि तुम्हारी सोर्सेज क्या है. मेरा जो फुफा फिलाडेल्फिया में रहता है ना, अनएम्प्लॉयड वेलफेयर पर, वो उसने मुझे व्हाट्सएप किया. ये एक फर्क है. एक फर्क.
अच्छा, so don't you think the fact that, I mean, अगर मैं उस साइड की एक आर्ग्यूमेंट को थोड़ा सा आयरन मैन करूं, कि काफ़ी ऐसी स्टोरीज हैं जो आपका पाकिस्तान में मीडिया नहीं शेयर बता सकता. ऐसा है ना, ये भी एक सच बात है, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो एस्टैब्लिशमेंट से रिलेटेड है, कोई वहाँ पे कोई ऐसी कहानी है जो कभी तो सेंसरशिप वहाँ से भी आती है ना, किसी वजह से ही आती है, तो वो नहीं शेयर कर सकते मीडिया वाले, इवन इफ दे वांट टू। तो थोड़ा सा जो मिसट्रस्ट है, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर लेट्स
हम ये कभी नहीं कह रहे कि
एग्जैक्टली,
हम बिल्कुल नहीं कह रहे।
सो अगर मैं इस लैंडस्केप में आके देखूं, से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर एक रियलिटी में देखूं कि वाकई में IMF ने आके बोला कि इमरान खान को रिहा करो, आई डोंट थिंक न्यूज़ चैनल्स के पास इजाजत होगी बच्चे चलाने को।
नहीं, that is a story that you could
देखो,
definitely run.
अच्छा, so
let's deconstruct
yeah.
that. IMF क्या करेगी? क्या मतलब how will they convey that?
हाँ, दिल भी लाइक हम पैसे नहीं देंगे जब तक इमरान को नहीं रिहा
How would they
करते।
convey it?
Let's say like you
How
know
would they convey it? See, I mean, point is कि
yeah.
IMF मतलब कान में तो नहीं,
साइफर तो नहीं आएगा, बट हाँ आई थिंक
मतलब
कहीं लिखा हुआ होगा,
लिखत में आएगा, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो आएगा ना।
Yeah.
So you see, so that story would 100% run. There's no two ways about that. There are other things that might not. You know, there are other things
Yeah.
that might not. But
I mean, they also convey things like we would
As
like
an
to see a
example-
democratic
no,
process
but
in
as an
Pakistan.
example, as an example of a story that
जैसे इजिप्ट में तो
was,
बहुत बड़ी डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस है।
Exactly.
as an example of a story that was not on mainstream news until it had been discussed and talked about on social media, is जब इमरान खान फैज को लगाना चाह रहे थे।
हाँ,
You know,
fair
so
enough.
that
Yeah,
was a
you can't-
story for weeks.
Yeah.
For weeks it was on social media.
If not months.
Yes,
Yeah.
perhaps. And it really got to a point where that credibility, as I said, where this is important news in terms of obviously the Prime Minister, civil military relations. We all understand that as journalists why this is important, but people couldn't talk about it. And here's what my experience is. I don't know, Zara, aap bata sakte hain, but somebody needs to take that step. Speak about the news. Somebody officially needs to speak about it before the dam breaks, and then mainstream media.
I think
also
this happened
catches
in
on
our
that.
podcast actually.
Yeah.
So when I did a podcast with Imran Khan, so I asked him कि भाई establishment के साथ फड्डा गया है। अब उससे पहले लोगों ने सवाल तो 100 ने किया हुआ था, बट ज़ाहिर है वो घुमा फिरा के था। तो जनरल फैज़ के ऊपर फाइनली ही सेट किया, जनरल फैज़ के साथ मसला ये है। एंड सेम विद JKT एंड नलीम खान, लाइक नो वन वाज टॉकिंग टू हिम। मैंने टू बी ऑनेस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा टॉक शोज नहीं पिछले देखे हुए थे, सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट एवर टाइम ही सेट कि यार ये मसला है, मुझे ये शिकायतें उसकी आई, मुझे ये शिकायतें उसकी आई, फिर बुजदार वाला भी। सो कमिंग फ्रॉम अ सोर्स
No, but I
डायरेक्टली
think your podcast with him was
After,
he
yeah,
was
after.
removed from office. I'm
Yeah.
talking about while he was in office.
हाँ उस टाइम तो
नहीं, उस टाइम तो मतलब
उस टाइम तो भैया
बॉस
Yeah.
का नाम लेना, आप कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, exactly, can't take the
दूसरी
deal.
बात है कि आप लेंगे भी सही तो आप क्या कहोगे? हाँ, I mean, we don't have an official statement. देखो,
Yeah,
सोशल
just-
मीडिया पे तो अभी मैं कह सकता हूँ कि अभी ओले पड़ रहे हैं।
हाँ, fair enough, yeah.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, राइट? ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग कहेंगे पागल हो गया है तू, अपनी आंखें चेक करा, that's it, right?
Yeah.
This was coming on social media, yes, but the point is कि what are we going to do? Quote social media, right? ज्यादा से ज्यादा जब हमने इस पे बात की थी, मैं क्या कह सकते हैं? कुछ लोगों का कहना है कि एक बहुत बड़ी हस्ती, हाँ, जो आपके सारे खुफिया इदारों के शायद सरबराह हैं, शायद, बिकॉज़ आपने इसके अंदर कैवियाट्स भी डालनी है ना,
Yeah.
मैंने
मुबैयना
बोला
तौर
नहीं है।
पर।
हाँ?
मुबैयना।
मुबैयना तौर पर
Word that
कुछ
covers
लोगों का-
everything.
हाँ, तो पॉइंट इज कि फिर आपने इतना उसको कैवियाट्स के साथ करना है, आपने इसको इतना कोड करके करना है कि सिर्फ जिनको समझ है उनको ही समझ आएगी ना।
Yeah.
So the point is कि देखो, a lot of people they see something on social media और पूरा वो घंटे का vlog कर लिया, you know, अच्छा उसके ऊपर thumbnail होगी biggest breaking news in the world,
Yeah.
एंड में क्या होगा यार, मतलब खोदा पहाड़ निकला चूहा
उसमें होगा आप मेरा अगले वाला देखें तो उसमें जवाब मैं दूंगा।
अच्छा, there's okay, now here's the other thing, right? Why shouldn't they do it? Right? Okay, here's the deal, right?
Yeah.
आदिल राजा को ले लो, उसकी एक बात सच साबित नहीं हुई, एक बात। Okay, I mean अगर है तो
What a
मैं
record,
माफी
yeah.
मांगता हूँ, मैं
Yeah.
रेगुलरली नहीं फॉलो करता। अच्छा, मिलियन व्यूज आ जाते हैं भाई के, तो $5,000-6,000 तो बन जाते हैं ना, वो ये माल क्यों ना बेचे, वो पागल है?
हाँ, वैसे वो ये तो नहीं कह रहा मैं
If
जर्नलिस्ट हूँ।
people are willing to buy crap, we will find someone.
नहीं, बट आई थिंक द बिग क्वेश्चन इज कि जो जर्नलिस्ट ये काम कर रहे हैं, मुझे तो उससे मतलब अब इतना
अच्छा,
वो हो
तो
गया
मुझे समझाइए,
Journalists
credit
who I know
कौन
who
है?
Like
actually were
credible,
good journalists, by
मतलब
the way.
credible
Who
journalists.
used to be good journalists.
Like
छोटे मोटे।
रीट्वीट और लाइक की कमेंट की जो हेरोइन है ना, उसको आप हल्का मत लें। हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डज दिस हैपन यार, बंदा कोई एक ट्वीट करता है, वी नो अ लॉट, नंबर ऑफ नेम्स, यू नो, उनको पता है कि अगर हमने कोई ऐसी बात कर दी ना कि यार ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, नीचे सर यू आर ग्रेट, यू आर मोस्ट क्रेडिबल न्यूट्रल जर्नलिस्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, कल वही लोग उसको गालियां दे रहे होंगे, वो एक अलग बात है, लेकिन आज के लिए तो उसके डोपामिन का कोटा भर गया है।
अभी रिसेंटली आई वेंट टू अ टीवी चैनल और उस पे फेक न्यूज़ और डिसइंफॉर्मेशन की गुफ्तगू थी। और जब मेरे पास आया वो पूरा एपिसोड तो मैं YouTube पे गया, मैंने कहा मैं थंबनेल पहले देखूं उसका वो क्या है यार, उसके अंदर ही फेक न्यूज़ था उस थंबनेल के, एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो
बता दो thumbnail क्या था?
I need to know now.
Even we have talked about fake news and they have talked about कि जी दुबई और सऊदीज ने पाकिस्तान में पैसे फंड कर दिया, something like political content.
Yeah.
ये मेरे साथ
And-
पिछले 2 दिनों में हुआ।
बहुत दफा हुआ है. Yeah, it happens a lot. But you
नहीं
know,
अच्छा, लेकिन इसमें एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है ना, मुझे तो अब ये भी होता है कि आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, आई वाज टॉकिंग टू अ लॉट ऑफ जर्नलिस्ट, और आप इवन किसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी जाओ कि सेठ ये है और सेठ नहीं करने देता फलाना, मतलब सेठ है बस बुरा, विच इज़ ठीक है, और जब आपके पास पावर आई है तो आपने भी कोई कम तो कुछ नहीं किया, सो देन लाइक यू नो
but here's the thing.
मैं शादी करने
So
के लिए
you
तैयार हूं,
talk
अम्मी नहीं
about
मान रही। सॉरी यार,
और हर
अभी
दफा
मुझे पता लगा 20 साल की डेटिंग के बाद क्या पहले तशी है, मैं तो शादी
और हर दफा कोई नई sort of excuse भी होती है ना कि अब क्या
मेरे पास
करें,
तो
वो
10,000
करें ऐसे करें. I think
चाहिए.
here's the thing, and I want to bring it back to the serious thing, which is money is the incentive. Money is the incentive for the ones who use clickbait. Money is the incentive for the social media platforms. They feed off and profit off your outrage and your shares and likes, and
But is money the only thing or is it like the ideology as well? So as an example, Imran Riaz. So वो मुझे लगता है ideologically, good or bad is separate, but there are a lot of people जो ideologically यकीन रखते हैं एक चीज़ पे, which is fine. Whether you're rightist or leftist, like I don't have a problem with that. So वो differentiation मुझे नहीं कभी समझ आई.
Let ideology dictate your facts.
that's exactly where I was going to go with it.
Then
So,
that is
so you have
different.
to clarify that this is your opinion or your analysis. But if you're presenting as a fact, that's a problem. That's a difference.
Because then that you see again, you know, I mean, not to be like, you know, pedantic about this. That is that when you cross the line from journalism
To an analyst or yeah.
or
an
evangelist.
influencer or
Yeah, yeah.
evangelist.
Like Dr. Shahid Masood as an example.
मुझे इस love से है ना
Influencer.
What about content creation? How much
Makes
you
me
like
want
that?
to puke.
How much you like
It
that?
makes me want to puke.
The word influencer?
नहीं आजकल तो
Content creation and influencer.
अबे भाई आजकल तो only fans वाले भी content creators हैं यार.
है तो वैसे content creators. They are creating content.
Whenever I go to the bathroom, I create content. ये भी content ही है ना यार.
नहीं बात तो सही है आप लोग हाँ लेकिन but I think influencer is the only term which kind of describes what someone should be feeling, like they're feeling influenced by whatever you've done. Content creator is more like describes what you're doing as opposed to anything else. It's like not calling yourself a lawyer, calling yourself a justice provider, which is kind of like presumptuous in the sense कि हाँ जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उससे actually justice create हो रहा है.
You know, these terms have become so loose and so vague. They can mean anything to anyone. यार जो मतलब यहाँ पर जो French fries बेच रहा है नीचे तुम्हारी बिल्डिंग के नीचे, वो भी तो कंटेंट ही क्रिएट कर रहा है ना यार.
वो भी अपने 5 लोगों में तो उसका भी
Edible
influence होगा.
Yeah.
तो
And he's influencing, yes.
अभी कोई तो लफ्ज देना है ना अब जो बैठ के कुछ तो
But
बोलेंगे.
Let's
clearly,
not get trapped into this, huh?
let's not get trapped, because let's admit and acknowledge that it has become a profession.
It is, yeah. It is a profession now because of social media. There has those business models have enabled many and
यार,
people are doing good with it as
Twitter
well.
ले लो, right? Musk's you know वो pay to play वाला जो model है, right?
हाँ.
Okay, if you have a blue check, then you know you get paid for the engagement, right? So you have all of these like you know these like hardcore right wing Gora supposedly Gora accounts, you know, posting stuff. उनको पता है कि नीचे को 100 लोग आएंगे. ठीक है, उनके पैसे बन रहे हैं. जैसे अभी एक जो उनका मेजर वाला था विविड प्रोवेस और समथिंग, he was outed as actually being an Indian. You know, वो तो गोरा ही नहीं है साला. You know, तो point is कि वो अपने दुकान चला रहा है भाई.
सब दुकान चला रहा है.
सब दुकान चला रहे हैं.
But वहाँ पे भी वो Fox News वगैरह वाले सारे टकर कार्सन वगैरह सब दुकान ही से चला रहे थे
सब
ना.
दुकान चला रहे हैं ना. वो छोटी दुकान है, एक बड़ी दुकान है तो दुकान. हाँ, एक किराने की दुकान है और एक हाइपर मार्केट है.
अच्छा उसी से जो हमने before we started we were also having that conversation, like you said something very interesting कि ये एक misconception है मीडिया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड जर्नलिस्ट का कि सिर्फ ये कचरा ही बिकता है, कि सिर्फ ये चीज़ें बिकती हैं कि और चीज़ें like people are generally not interested in anything. So what do you think पाकिस्तानी audience is generally interested in, and अगर ये पैसे ही बना सकते हैं एक different type of news करके स्टोरी करके तो क्यों नहीं बना रहे उस तरह?
अच्छा, मेरा इसमें बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग वो एक्सपीरियंस है. When I started, तो अगेन आई वाज गोइंग टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कि भाई व्हाट डू यू थिंक ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. अब उसमें ज़्यादा ये था कि भाई कॉन्टेक्चुअल जर्नलिज्म क्या होती है, कॉन्टेक्चुअल न्यूज़ स्टोरी टेलिंग. अब दिस वाज द टर्म व्हिच आई वाज यूजिंग. तो पहले तो मतलब मुझे भी मैंने खुद I'll not say invent की थी, but this is what I want to do, and that's what, because it's not really a term. And everyone's like, यार नहीं वो crime बिकेगा, या आपका कोई reporter हो पकड़े कैमरा और माइक है वो सारा. And when we started doing, as an example, Fall of Kabul हुआ, और उसमें हर बंदा was just talking about कि जी तालिबान आ गए वो सारा. But इस साइड ऑफ पाकिस्तान वाली साइड के ऊपर who were the victims and who were the main players, drone survivors थे, people who went to Guantanamo Bay, blah blah blah. So we got access. अब वो Guantanamo Bay वाली जो वीडियोस, अननोन बंदा, कोई नहीं जानता, इवन वो स्टोरी टेलिंग में भी नहीं अच्छा था, और कुछ में तो हमने इवन सबटाइटल्स किए थे बिकॉज पश्तो थे, तो वे लाइक मतलब इसमें 20,000 व्यूज़ भी आ जाएं तो इट्स फाइन फॉर अस. वो वाली वीडियोस गॉट 500,000 व्यूज ऑन यूट्यूब, नॉट ऑन फेसबुक, वो सारी मिला के तो बहुत. सो देयर वाज एन एपेटाइट आई थिंक. उसके अलावा भी ड्रोन सर्वाइवर्स भी उसके फ़ौरन बाद हमने की, और इस तरह की काफ़ी चीज़ें. तो आई फील लाइक देयर इज़ एन एपेटाइट, बट वही वाली बात है, द इकोसिस्टम इज़ नॉट देयर. सो अगर हमारी तरह के लेट्स से 10 लोग या 20 लोग और करने लग जाएं, तो आप ऑडियंस का बिहेवियर आई फील लाइक चेंज करेंगे.
Also, I want to add to that because I did come in, I joined Nukta slightly, obviously, I did not go back to television because I was very, very jaded and disappointed with television as it was with me, because I felt like you didn't have that diversity or you weren't looking at audiences. आप सब अपनी दुकान ही चला रहे थे. एक फॉर्मूला बना हुआ था, 3 लोग बिठाने हैं, आपने आज की जो बड़ी खबर थी, जो मीडिया डिसाइड करता है कि कौन सी बड़ी खबर है, उस पर बात करनी है, और उससे हटके आप लोगों को अपने प्रोग्राम से बुलाते थे, तो वो चलता नहीं था. सो दैट वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस, बट आई हैव बीन ब्लोन अवे विद द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट. Sorry, not content, stories. Okay, fine, I know, but I do find it slightly cringe.
So do I, but अब क्या करें?
मैं क्या करूं? But I would say stories. Actually, they're stories. I feel like
stories.
people are interested in diverse stories. We've had millions of views on business stories.
Yeah.
Something that I thought would never work was something about debt. It's like, that worked. Sports stories.
It's obviously.
And obviously
That
what
has
we already
existed, yeah.
knew as journalists, which, you know, the DCM also does, which Zarar also does, which I believe in, which is obviously human, how people are impacted by policy and big events. As an example, I mean, we did a really great story of Hamida Bano, who, because of the India-Pakistan rivalry, was stuck in Pakistan for 20 years, and then she finally got a way to go back to her family in India. That did amazingly well. So I think that the fact that Nukta exists, that TCM exists, there are other platforms as well जो ये काम करें, it is building that appetite for alternative stories that people care about. And with Nukta as well, I mean, because I'm a journalist, I'm very conscious of, okay, so what are we giving the audience that they might, how do we gauge that, right? So we do use technology, like we use social media listening tools. We use our own sense as a journalist that this might work for people. Sometimes we're surprised, like one story on Afghan refugees performed extremely well when I didn't think it would. So the audience wants these stories that are not what you find on the mainstream media. They also want non-political stories
Yeah.
that impact them. So human stories, and stories that move them, stories that inform them. Another example I'd give that I was really surprised by. So जब smog हुआ था in Lahore in December, so I asked my team, okay, let's explain to people what the green lockdown means for people. It did really well. Again, I think joining a digital platform has actually made me hopeful, where television had made me jaded, because I do think that appetite, because of various digital platforms, has been created, and I think that is growing.
अच्छा, इसमें भी
I
I
think
think
the appetite existed, and it is now being it's finally being satisfied. You know, I mean, a lot of the times you really don't know what's going to work. You know, आप जितनी भी मतलब social media monitoring कर लें, आप कुछ भी कर लें ना, sometimes things will surprise you.
प्लस उससे भी ज़्यादा है कि लाइक मैं तो अभी आई एम लाइक वेरी क्लियर कि वी स्टिल कैन नॉट कम्पीट विद द फैमिली व्लॉगर्स एंड लाइक वो वाला जो है कैटेगरी. टेक्निकली तो वो कंटेंट का हिस्सा है ना, एक वो बड़ा पूल है, आप उसमें इतना सा काम कर रहे हैं, उसमें यूट्यूब जर्नलिज्म भी है, उसमें टीवी भी है,
वो न्यूज़ नहीं है रियली. मैं न्यूज़ स्टोरीज के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं.
लेकिन उसमें आप ये देखो ना कि व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, देन यूट्यूब जर्नलिज्म जो सिर्फ YouTube पे ही हो रहा है, एंड देन टीवी वाले जो YouTube पे हैं. सो दिस इज लाइक अ बिग पूल. सो उसके अंदर मतलब 4-5 बड़े प्लेयर्स हैं. तो उसमें भी, बट अगेन मुझे तो ज़्यादा ये लगता है कि द इकोसिस्टम इज़ नॉट देयर. जब लोग ये बार बार देखेंगे, एक सॉर्ट ऑफ नस्ल तैयार होगी देखते देखते, आप उसको थोड़ा सा होप तो देंगे भाई ये भी है. तो वो एक एन एवोल्यूशन के
And I want to add to what he's saying as well, because I think it goes back to my argument that people are on a platform and they're scrolling and they're coming across all kinds of content, or in that content, absolutely news, current affairs, explainers, context may not feature as high as entertainment, but we are still competing with
Yeah.
that.
But so you said that at some level सारे journalists या say media या news outlets को एक decision लेना होता है between what people should know versus what they want to hear, right? You kind of have to decide. You have that's your editorial
That
like
decision
lens.
is always on an individual level. I think.
Individual level, right? So
देखो, when people say ना कि यार news industry,
हाँ
who are you talking about? हाँ, I mean, एक चैनल के लोग दूसरे चैनल, एक चैनल का सेट दूसरे चैनल के सेट के से दुश्मनी है उसकी. You know, so I mean, there's a lot more, I mean, nuance, right? I mean, like for example, when we say the business community, I mean, really, what are we talking about, right? So, ये जो आपने बात की ना कि about like what do the people want and what should they be listening to, and let's come back, for example, to the plethora of political talk shows,
बिल्कुल.
right? कि अब इन्होंने जो बात की, right, ह्यूमन स्टोरीज की, अच्छा इनके लिए आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
Exactly.
Let's not ignore that.
Yeah.
ठीक है, we are creatures of comfort, we are lazy people essentially, right? It's a very human trait. आपको बाहर जाना पड़ेगा, आपको ये स्टोरियां ढूंढनी होगी. मेरा आधा दिन लग जाता है इन स्टोरियों को ढूंढने में. अच्छा, फिर we have to figure out how to execute the damn thing.
Exactly.
एक अलग मसला है. कोई बंदा चीचा बतनी में बैठा हुआ है, वहां आपका रिपोर्टर नहीं है, क्या करना है आपने? You have to figure out ways to do it. Instead of doing that, and me sometimes I spend 2 weeks to put together a 7-minute segment, right?
Yeah.
कितना आसान है कि मैं इन भाई को बिठाऊं, ये पीटीआई के हैं, आप नून लीग के हैं, आप एक डिफेंस एनालिस्ट हैं. Sorry,
Defense
that was all that was left. Okay.
Everyone else was taken,
हाँ,
yeah.
ये तज्जिया का. हाँ, अच्छा यूं मेरा 40 मिनट का शो चला गया, मुझे कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. मैंने इंट्रो देना है और मैंने एक्सट्रो देना है.
और अगर आपने लड़ाई करा दी, you'll probably be the highest paid anchor, right?
You know, so point is, I can walk into the studio 5 minutes before the show and just do it.
And that's why we went against the grain, actually, at Nukta, at least. And I know that you guys do that too, which is we hired reporters. We hired people who go in the field and
Yeah.
get us stories. And they have gotten us beautiful stories that have performed well again against, luckily, my expectations. So mujhe thodi si umeed mili thi. So that, I think, is the difference, where what's missing on the mainstream, especially television, I'd say that people aren't reading anymore. So even though print does a good job of context and analysis and stories, but let's
And also, let's be fair, Amber, you would not have been able to compete in that overcrowded field anyway.
Absolutely.
And why would you, मतलब कि I mean, जैसे कभी-कभी मैं आशियाना से गुजरता हूँ, मैं कहूँगा यार 200 कपड़े की दुकानें हैं. अब यहाँ पर मैं एक और कपड़े की दुकान बनाऊँ तो क्या इसकी तुक बनती है?
I mean, I want to say just on that note, in between, while I was sort of jaded and sad and disillusioned, and मैंने मीडिया से कहा मैं मीडिया में दोबारा नहीं जा रही. Somebody asked me, invited me कि we want to hire you as an anchor. मैंने कहा चलो मुलाकात कर लेते. You never
Yeah.
know, value पता चल जाती है क्या हो रहा है. So the first question I asked is like, अच्छा हम आपको इस्लामाबाद में, we're going to, you're going to have a show, you'll have the 8 o'clock show, whatever, this and that. It's like, okay, so bureau कहाँ होगा? उन्होंने बताया. So have you hired reporters? नहीं, अभी तक तो नहीं किया. So the focus was on the anchor and the easy,
That's all
cheap
they
way
care
to do
about,
this, and they were not thinking about the reporters.
Or research.
देखो again वो जो बात हुई ना कि घूम फिर के बात पैसे पे आती है.
हाँ.
ये this is a low cost way to do things यार. आप 4 लोगों को बिठा लो.
नहीं, but these anchors are paid a lot.
मैं उनकी बात नहीं कर रहा.
हाँ, but my
These
point is there's a
anchors
reason
were
why
the
they're paid.
original influencers.
हाँ, they're the original content creators and
Some are very good at it. I'm not.
Yeah, no,
they-
some great. Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
sure they have a very good.
is कि हर दिन अगर आपका टॉपिक ये है कि अब क्या होगा
हाँ.
सियासत में, हाँ, इसका एक जवाब है कुछ नहीं. लेकिन वो फिर 5 सेकंड में आपका शो
और क्योंकि I've seen how the nuts and bolts work up, because there are so many channels that are producing the same kind of show.
Yeah.
So, and you need to have the top names on your show to be
Yeah.
noticed. They're booked in advance.
Yeah.
So अगर कोई और खबर आ जाती है मगर आपने बात करनी है एज एग्जांपल, आपका उस दिन डिफेंस एनालिस्ट जो रेटिंग्स लाता है वो आपको नहीं मिला, तो आप किसी ऐसे छोटे से सियासतदान से बात करेंगे on something he doesn't know about just because that was the news of the day and you had booked them in advance. So the whole system is geared for mediocrity.
अच्छा, लेकिन आपको लगता है आप लोग तो ज़रा टीवी में भी काफ़ी काम किया, जो टॉक शो मॉडल है उसको भी डिजिटल पे अगर शिफ्ट किया जाए, इंडिपेंडेंट प्लेटफॉर्म लेट्स से हम करते हैं, आप करते हैं, और जैसे अभी ये भी इन अ वे स्टाइल हुआ है कि इसके अंदर भी कोई जिद्दत लाई जा सकती है और इसको भी जरा वैल्यू
When you
एडिशनल
say
टाइप बनाए.
talk shows, I mean, let's
say three.
What are they talking about? Is the question. Dekho, talk show is a very general term. I could be having a talk show with, like, water expert, human rights person, whatever. That's still a talk show. I could be having a talk show with politicians, right? So really, it's not about the format. It's about the content again.
Let's say even if you talk about the contemporary topics, कि जो एक हफ्ते में रहना है पे खत्म हो जाना है.
वही लाइक एजाज सैयद का अगर मैं एग्जांपल ले लूं, राइट?
I mean, देखो, टीवी में your limitation largely is time. इसमें आपको ज्यादा टाइम मिल जाएगा.
और
आप
But
शायद
it's
थोड़ा
not
खुल
just
के
about
बात
time.
करेंगे
I think
इसमें.
it's also just you can actually reconceive the talk show. So, for instance, what we call podcasts now are essentially radio, just in a different medium.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking.
Yeah, fair.
But I do think with digital, how do people want to understand this information? What are you doing with it? So you have to think about, if you want to do a talk show, how do you want that information to go to people? They're not going to want whatever you have been seeing for at least 2 decades on Pakistani television. So you do have to think of a different format. You do have to be more creative. And I think that's the real challenge. So while clickbait works, what the challenge for people who want to do good journalism, contribute positively to the information landscape is actually be more creative. And that's the challenge. And that requires more thought and more planning.
So basically, when you say be more creative, so one show that I can think of, which is like Azaz Sayed, his show Talk Shock. Like I often watch it, and I think वो 30 minute में major news of the day आपकी वो
Other alternative stories.
हाँ,
too.
or
He picks up
exactly
other
he
things.
picks up other things.
knows his shit.
And he's a pure journalist as well, right? Like someone who's an old school, understands how and shares कि हाँ ये source पक्की है या नहीं है, या इसमें मैं double confirm वगैरह करूँगा. So would you say this is how, say, if any journalist who's aspiring to, say, get some limelight or do some alt stories, like, is this like now the viable way? Or do you also think कि अगर मैं अब YouTube पे जाना है, and you know this as well, and we've been discussing this, right? अगर मैंने YouTube पे जाना है तो अब मेरा थंबनेल ऐसा होना चाहिए जो ऑडियंस की वो कैच करे. अब मेरी टाइटल, अब अगर मुझे एक ऐसी स्टोरी करनी है यार, मुझे पाकिस्तान के वाटर उस पे बात करनी है, क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर पे बात करनी है, हाउ बोरिंग इज दैट? डू आई नीड टू सेंसेशनलाइज इट नाउ? लाइक अदरवाइज कोई देखेगा ही
You
नहीं.
don't need to sensationalize it. You have to find a way it impacts people. Like I did a water story. What I did was that I went to Pindi.
Yeah.
And sure, I did find the most extreme example,
Okay, fair enough.
which was कि जब
Actually,
tap,
yeah, I mean-
literally there was a neighborhood in Pindi जहाँ जब आप टैप खोलते थे तो वहाँ worms गिर रहे होते थे.
Wow.
So that's water quality for you. So that is, you draw in people with that shock factor or something that they can relate to, that would interest them, and then you get them with information. And that's storytelling.
So fundamentals that you talk about, so you're talking about अगर जब आप writing भी करते हैं, even then you have to, like, it's the same fundamental.
Yeah, but that's not sensationalism. You see, there's a difference. There's a difference between making something attractive and interesting and sensationalizing it.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, मैं कहूँ अगर ये आप ग्लास पानी पियेंगे आप मर जाएंगे.
Yeah.
You know, अच्छा हो सकता है ये सच भी है.
Honestly, because the worms हैं, there's a good chance you'll die. Yeah.
But you see, that's the thing. What I'm saying is, what you have to do in this particular moment in journalism and the media ecosystem is you have to be more creative. You have to think of the technology and how people are consuming news, what formats and what spaces, who your audience. You have to think about your audience. You have to have a design sense. You have to have a sense of story. So, for instance, something might work on TikTok, it might not work on Facebook.
Or Instagram.
Or
Yeah.
Instagram, right? So you have to think about, okay, so what format do I use? Do I need to put this on that particular platform? You know, maybe that's not where my audience is. It is again just a lot more thought and looking at the data and looking at how, and this is what we can learn from content creators.
Yeah.
Because I think what they've done, And I see that with a lot of new upcoming digital platforms. And what I think, what we try to do at Nukta as well, which is, okay, so they've personalized stories. That's actually good because they're thinking about the mobile format, which is a smaller screen, which people are looking up close, and they want to feel like they're part of that story. So maybe that's something you learn. They think about the creative ways that you can shoot and film and tell that story. They think about the text that goes with it, the music that goes with it. And that's something that we can adapt. So the storytelling, the basic fundamentals, as Zarar said, haven't changed. We're just changing the format and the storytelling style.
Conceptually, this is not new either. Okay, back in the 70s, Marshall McLuhan, who's considered the father of modern communication theory, said the medium is the message. Okay, now, अच्छा great sound bite, इसका मतलब क्या है? Right?
मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आया।
हाँ, exactly, right? हाँ, इसलिए मैं पढ़ के आया हूँ क्या था, right? So basically that means that the medium also kind of dictates the way the message is consumed. Okay, I'll give you an example. ठीक है? Presidential debate हुआ. आपने उसकी transcript पढ़ी, right? In print, right? Now, if you're actually watching that, then what else is coming into the picture is how the guys are looking.
Yeah.
उसकी lighting कैसी है? ज़्यादा confident कौन है? This is what happened during the Nixon-Kennedy debates, very famously.
When the debates were televised, actually, it became about how you felt about the candidate.
People who listened to that debate on radio thought that Nixon had won it. People who saw it, because उसमें एक issue देना है. उसमें ना Nixon को गर्मी लग रही थी. वो यूं कर रहा था.
Oh.
So that was construed by the audience as him being shaky, him being weird. You know. अब इसकी तुम close editing करके 3 second का TikTok बनाओ.
You've lost it, yeah, exactly.
खबर एक ही है. But the way that you're doing it, the way that you're presenting it, you know, and the medium on which you're presenting it on, it also alters the message.
और दूसरा आई थिंक जो अंबर ने कहा ना कि अब आई रिमेंबर जब एजाज ने शुरू किया तो आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस, बल्कि आई वाज पुशिंग हिम कि भाई तुम निकल वहां से, मतलब दिस इज योर थिंग. अब एजाज बीइंग एजाज, लोग उसको पुरानी उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी बिल्ड थी या लोग जानते थे, तो उसको रिलेटिवली आसान थोड़ा सा था चीज़ करना. बट आज जो बंदा आता है, द प्रॉब्लम विद आई थिंक यंग जर्नलिस्ट, इवन द प्लेटफॉर्म्स, लाइक वी नॉट ट्राई टू वेयर डिफरेंट हैट्स. सो हम आई एम जर्नलिस्ट, मेरा काम स्टोरी बताना है, कंटेंट, बट नो वन रियली केयर्स. हम जितना अच्छा मर्जी यहाँ विजुअल बना लें, बट उस दरवाजे से अगर अंदर ही कोई नहीं आएगा, तो यू नीड टू बी अ मार्केटर, यू नीड टू नो लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिजाइन, थोड़ा सा एंगलिंग बताओ, ऑडियंस क्या देखना चाहती है, नए प्लेटफॉर्म्स क्या हैं, एआई क्या कर रहा है, अल्गोस क्या कर रहे हैं. सो वो हर चीज, सो अब लाइक technically it's getting little difficult.
It's more complicated.
Yeah.
It is more complicated.
Don't you think
than
it's
just
also
simply thinking of headline अच्छी बनानी है,
Exactly.
तस्वीर अच्छी देनी है,
Exactly.
ठीक है.
But don't you
लोग
think it's
पढ़ ही
also
रहे हैं.
easier now? Because एक लोगों के biases भी attach हो गए लोगों के उससे कि यार ज़रार बैठे हैं तो liberal बातें करेंगे.
If you're digital savvy,
Right?
then it's
I
easier.
resent that.
हाँ?
I resent that.
नहीं, but my point is किसी का कोई ना कोई तो bias होगा ना, आपसे भी attached होगा. किसी ने आपकी 4
Leftist बातें कर सकता हूँ, liberal बातें कर सकता हूँ. इसमें बहुत बड़ा फर्क है.
Sorry about that. But my point is किसी ने आपकी 4 PTI की anti-PTI tweets पढ़ ली आप किसी, यार ये तो है anti-PTI, ज़रा scroll करो उसको आगे, and that creates an opportunity for someone new, because the reason why everyone and their mother is doing a podcast today is because now it's cheaper than ever, right? It's free to put it on YouTube.
I also want to say what's really cringe is the mainstream media channels also doing podcasts.
Yeah, which makes
that's
no sense to
like
me.
insane.
It's just a big old mic
Yeah.
and a
Like,
person
Or
sitting
very
across.
creepy mic as well.
Yeah.
Like
Like we
literally.
have this because we could not do.
Because you see, that's the thing. The mainstream media does not understand what Talha's talking about, what I'm talking about, how much goes into, putting out your stories on digital platforms, how much thinking goes behind it, because they're still operating on the same model. So what they did was, उनकी जब इंटरनेट आया तो वेबसाइट बना दी, जब अखबार की वही चीजें लगा दी, फिर अब क्या कर रहे हैं, they're flooding their feeds with all the stories and the breaking news, and they're adapting different platforms as well, but they're not thinking about design and creativity and the audience and how to tailor it and the algorithm and the platform. So that's, I think, it's really key.
But why aren't they doing it? Why isn't okay? You are part of a conventional channel.
I have no idea.
I have an answer for this.
नहीं, कभी तो बात होती होगी ना, CEO से कभी तो बात होती है.
मुख्तसर सा जवाब दे देता हूँ. I don't know, I don't care. Because देखो मेरी एक छोटी सी दुकान है
हाँ.
एक बिल्डिंग में, मैं वहां पे बैठता हूँ, मैं वहां पे मतलब अपना मंजन बेचता हूँ. What the rest of them are doing is not really my concern. Nor do I even understand it.
I think why they don't care. So there are two things. They only care about one, YouTube money, and they have figured out the model, which is दिन में 600 अपलोड्स करने हैं. जितने ज्यादा व्यूज काउंट आपके बढ़ेंगे, डॉलर्स आपके आएंगे. तो आपने एक चैनल है, उसके आप लिटरली 20 चैनल्स बनाएंगे. सो ABC पॉलिटिक्स, ABC टॉक शो, ABC दिस, फिर हर टॉक शो के अपने 10 चैनल्स. सो देयर इज अ होल साइंस बिहाइंड इट. इट्स नॉट कि वो दे आर जस्ट डम पीपल. सो आई रिसेंटली मेट विद समवन, अभी रिसेंट एक टीवी कराची के एक पॉलिटिशियन चला रहे हैं. वो बंदा उसका सारा इंजीनियर करता है पीछे, और उसने जो मुझे फॉर्मूला बताया वाज लाइक दैट्स मस्ट. मतलब I never ever thought about it. I was like, अच्छा कंटेंट में इतनी मेहनत तो समझ आता है. It was like, सर सादा फॉर्मूला है कि आपने इतने नंबर्स करने हैं, इतने करने हैं, तो हमारा एवरेज $100,000 हम महीने का हमारा टारगेट होगा. एंड दे डोंट केयर अबाउट कंटेंट के थ्रू वो है.
No,
इट्स ऑल द
absolutely.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन
Absolutely.
स्ट्रेटजी.
I mean, when I was hiring as well, and we were trying to get people on social media, हम but again more thoughtful, more
Yeah.
all of that, all those lovely things. and वो हम इंटरव्यू करते थे, आप क्या किस्सा करते थे. हमें बताया जाता था कि ये 4 keywords डालने हैं, ये thumbnail डालना है, और हमने इतनी pieces of videos जो है, जो उन्होंने TV से extract की होती हैं, which
Yeah.
you know, is obviously it's the same thing as a talk show. It's cheap and easy, and it gets the job done.
And then there are also companies who are running other YouTube channels, जो जिनके
I
पास
love this. I love this,
political
yes.
pages हैं, उनके पास entertainment pages हैं, so black hat, white hat, जो भी उसको आप कहें. और वो अब क्या कर रहे हैं, वो टीवी चैनल्स के पास जाते हैं, सर आपका पॉडकास्ट है, आप हमें अपना पब्लिश करके इसका एडिट दे दें, और हम क्या करेंगे, इसके अंदर से 4 क्लिप्स निकालेंगे और अपने चैनल्स पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. उसके अंदर से 30% जो रेवेन्यू आएगा वो आपका होगा. सो
और एक कंपनी होती है वो, because they're looking at the algo and people's consumer habits, which is you know pro or anti, तो वो pro PTI कंटेंट
Yeah.
एक तरफ डालेंगे और वो एंटी PTI मतलब
दोनों से पैसे बनाएंगे.
दोनों से
Yeah.
पैसे लेकर, चैनल से भी, अपने भी पैसे, लोगों को भी बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं.
सही है,
What a
अच्छा है.
model.
हाँ, I mean,
It's entrepreneurial.
सही है, सही है यार, काम है.
So, okay, no, very interesting. अच्छा, इस पूरे उसमें fake news and AI, right? We kind of touched upon it in the beginning as well. But how should a journalist now navigate through this? अगर उसने रिपोर्टिंग करनी है, जर्नलिस्ट तो पहले, फिर उसके बाद हम ऑर्डिनरी कंज्यूमर ऑफ न्यूज़ पे आ जाते हैं ना. अब तो एक लिटरली एक वीडियो आ जाएगी आपके सामने, एंड यू कांट टेल अपार्ट कि ये क्या डॉक्टर्ड है.
सो अभी मेरे साथ कल परसों हुआ. सो आई एम इन वन ऑफ द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स जिसमें एक बड़े क्रेडिबल जर्नलिस्ट हैं. मतलब वहाँ आपको जो चीज़ आती है तो आप ज़रा देखते हैं कि यार यहाँ क्या चल रहा है, तो आप ज़रा वहाँ MBS की एक वीडियो शेयर होती है. अब वो अरबी है, अरबी आपको नहीं आती. नीचे लिखा हुआ है कि जो ट्रम्प ने गाज़ा के ऊपर बात की है, और उसने ये बातें इस वीडियो में की हैं कि हमने जो है वो गज़वा तबूक भी लड़ी है और हम अब भी लड़ सकते हैं. एंड आई वाज लाइक, अच्छा गज़वा का वर्ड तो मुझे नहीं इस अरबी में कहीं आया. तो मैंने फिर 1-2 अरब दोस्त हैं उनको भेजा, और वो सारा AI उसके लिपसिंग अब वो एक क्रेडिबल बंदे ने कि यू नो द विंड्स आर ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, और लाइक इट्स गोइंग टू बी. एंड for a minute I was like maybe it's true, मतलब उसने भी शायद वैसे ही कह दिया हो कुछ. अब it's like I think it's getting so difficult day by day even as a credible journalist. अब मैं उसको कहाँ से verify करवाऊँ, मतलब
ये जो है ना, अब when we talk about fake news and disinformation, there is a whole spectrum.
Yeah.
ठीक है. We have the time to go into each and every aspect of it, but अगर मैं थोड़ा सा एक मुख्तसर बात करूँ यहाँ पे, कि एक तो है मिसरिप्रेजेंटेड वीडियो, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल 2 बंदे अरबी में बोल रहे हैं, तो मैं समझ
और मैंने नीचे ट्रांसक्रिप्शन को भी लिखा.
ट्रांसक्रिप्शन चल रही है और लोग उसको फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे. ठीक है. देन देयर आर वीडियोस दैट आर ऑब्वियसली एडिटेड इन एन अनएथिकल वे, यू नो, टू मेक थिंग्स अपीयर अ सर्टेन वे, आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट. देन देयर आर सम बिकॉज़ उनको पता है कि लोग ना ब्लर्ब से आगे पढ़ते नहीं है.
हाँ, वही
हेडलाइन से आगे पढ़ते नहीं है, so they take advantage of that. Then there are some videos which are now getting increasingly sophisticated that are just completely AI generated.
हाँ.
You see, so
जैसे मरीम नवाज वाला वो जो
शेख वाला,
When
शेख वाला जो था.
shook hands with the sheikh, yeah.
हाँ, was that?
नहीं, the hug was AI created, the handshake was I
The
think
handshake was genuine.
You see, so I mean, अब there and the point, as far as the AI video goes, it's an arms race, or it's an arms race between the tools used to create those videos and the tools with which you can detect, right?
Yeah.
And the war is lost, not losing, lost. And I've tried it because I've tried using those AI tools. 90% of the time they'll give you a false positive or a false negative. ओके तो अब जब हमने इस शो का आगाज किया था, ओके, इट्स बीन 10 years now that we've been doing this show. So शुरू में आई रिमेंबर दिस वेरी क्लियरली, एक तस्वीर गर्दिश कर रही थी सोशल मीडिया पे, इस्लामाबाद की मेन जो भी सड़क है वहां पे, और देयर वर पोस्टर्स ऑफ मुमताज कादरी अटैच्ड टू एवरी लैम्प पोस्ट. ठीक है, अब फुल आउटरीच, ये देखिए हमारा मुल्क, बिकॉज हम तो मातम करने में 2 सेकंड लगाते हैं ना, हम तबाह हो गए, हम बर्बाद हो गए, सही है ना. तो वो शुरू हो गया सारा. एंड आई एम लाइक कि यार देखना चाहिए कि यार सच है नहीं है. तो वेरी सिंपली गूगल रिवर्स सर्च, उसको क्या पता लगा कि शी जिनपिंग की तस्वीरें थी, किसी ने उनको फोटोशॉप कर दिया था. अब ये एक बड़ा एक सिंपल था एंड पीपल वर लाइक यार ये कैसे कर दिया. मतलब एक सेगमेंट किया कि इसको यार 2 सेकंड में आप घर पे भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इट डजंट टेक सम ह्यूज टेक्निकल एबिलिटी. नाउ उन दिनों में महीने में 1 आती थी, अब दिन में 50 आती है. And there is a law like Murphy's law, like Occam's razor, मुझे नहीं पता किसका law है, कि the amount of energy needed to debunk bullshit is infinitely greater than the amount needed to create the bullshit. ठीक है, मैं अभी 2 मिनट में एक बकवास कर दूंगा, आपको 4 दिन लगेंगे उसको सही करने में. ये जो लाहौर कॉलेज में जो पंजाब कॉलेज में जो रेप केस,
I mean, so many people debunked it and investigated.
And
it didn't
still,
matter.
and I'm sure still
It didn't
people believe
matter.
it.
forget
Yeah.
about the debunking and investigation. यार वो शुरू कहाँ से हुआ? Some one of these random, you know, start up, start down, पढ़ लो, लिख लो, देख लो टाइप नीले पीले. हाँ, उन्होंने कहा this girl has happened. अच्छा, एकदम आउटरीच शुरू हो गई. सोने में सुहागा, the kids holding the poster. हाँ, उसमें क्या लिखा भाई? Justice for girl. कौन सी गर्ल भाई? कहां से आई ये गर्ल? ये doesn't exist. यार तुम कॉलेज में जब थे, हम सब कॉलेज में थे, आपको अपने क्लास का भी पता होता था, आपको बाकी क्लासेस का भी पता होता था. कोई एक लड़की गायब हो गई वहां से, आपको नहीं पता होगा क्या?
और जिन बच्चों ने वो पोस्टर्स उठाए हुए थे उनको खुद नहीं पता था,
किसी को
but they
कुछ
were
नहीं पता था.
convinced कि हुआ था.
कन्विंस थे. यू सी, ये एक है, यहाँ पर आर्टिस्टिक मिलियनर्स का एक फेक रेप केस हुआ था, वो भी पागल हो गए थे लोग. ठीक है, फिर वो किसी और खातून का वीडियो जो गश खा के शी वाज लाइक अ हेरोइन एडिक्ट, वो रोड पे मर गई, उसको उसके साथ स्प्लाइस कर दिया. अच्छा नहीं, and you know the best thing, like one of the bigger giveaways is media does not want you to report this. You know, सारे मीडिया चैनल्स ने एक इज्तिमाई फैसला किया है कि भाई इसको हम रिपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे. वो भाई we don't even talk to each other.
We are not as united as you think.
जब ऊपर से नाज़िल होती है, वो सब पे नाज़िल होती है, लेकिन ये वो नहीं है. You know what I mean? So again, you know, confirmation bias. Again, you know, your dopamine hit. Again, an absolute, utter, and shameful lack of common sense and digital literacy.
So it is a lack of digital literacy. It is the information overload, but it's also a distribution problem, right? Right? Because of the fact that we've turned to social media for all our entertainment, information, needs, desires, hit, whatever it is. The algorithms will obviously, they promote that. And now we have Elon Musk, who did away with all the people who were at least somewhat to an extent, you know, checking and verifying and vetting and all of that, जो community guidelines वगैरह थी, follow कर रहे थे. So that's gone now. Those guardrails are gone. And now because Trump is in office, Facebook pay, that's all gone as well. So I think it's a distribution problem as much as it is a consumer problem.
What do you think about the community?
This is something that journalists, I would say, and I ran a fact-checking, outfit that I knew would not have the impact that it did because there's just too much of it. Yeah. The volume of it is you just cannot combat it. And the problem is that fake news is incentivized by consumers and by the platforms, and that's it. Yeah.
What do you think about the community notes on Twitter? Since you touched upon it.
Sometimes they're good.
Sometimes they're good, right? I think if it's not super political along the whole Republican Trump thing, I think they're fairly accurate generally.
No, they're all right. They're all right. But I mean, I don't think it really solves the problem either. Again, because until the algorithm disincentivizes.
हाँ, but वो बड़ा मुश्किल है उसको पता करना ना.
But that's exactly it.
Because Twitter पे there is a way you can do that. There are 2 tabs, no? There is for you, and
which kind of works a little bit for me.
Which works for me.
Yeah, but I still see too much of Musk. which is why I'm
वो तो
actually
उसे
now.
मैंने तो ब्लॉक कर दिया साले को.
मुझे तो फिर भी नजर आ रहा है.
मैंने कहा गुड
सुन रही
फिटिंग
हो
है.
तुम Elon?
नहीं,
Listen.
हाँ, नहीं लोग कहते हैं
But
ना
I
कि
still-
मतलब oh so you hate Musk, why are you on his platform? हाँ, तो मैंने कहा भाई I was there first, जो किसी ने जाना है तो वो जाए. हाँ, ये मेरा घर है, तू कहाँ से आ गया?
और but
नहीं,
after
इसकी
blocking
मिल्कियत
and
होता है, उसका
muting,
घर है, उसी का है.
मैंने कब्जा किया
Just
हुआ
for
है,
your
मैं कराची वाला हूँ. मैंने कब्जा किया हुआ है, निकाल दे मुझे यहाँ से.
ट्विटर पे चाइना कटिंग नहीं कर सकते.
होगी है वहाँ पे भी. But apparently if you mute and block, you still get it.
I don't.
Unless you're on the for you thing, अगर आप उसमें आ जाए ना for you वाले जो
नहीं, मैंने
algorithm.
जब से उसे म्यूट किया तो मुझे उसकी कोई
कोई नहीं आ
उसकी
रही.
मनुष्य शक्ल नहीं नजर आई मुझे.
Okay. Okay.
But here's the thing. I mean, you do need to. He is now a very important person, for good or ill,
Yeah.
however it happened. So you
Yeah.
still need to see what he's saying, right? We're still following the news.
वो पता लग ही जाता है.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough.
I don't need his
Fair enough.
needy man-child ass popping up. on the
The one thing that gives me like very like naive sense of hope is कि कहीं आपने एक ट्वीट कर दी, उसको शायद रेजोनेट कर गई और उसने जी वहीं पे जाके कुछ करा दिया उसके बारे में, right? And if it's something positive.
Well, you know, when people went into his likes and they found that he was liking anime porn, that's when he made likes private.
Yeah, private as well. So
Yeah,
at least
I
वहाँ
mean, it's personal with him.
Yeah.
The competition. So
I mean,
he
यार
saw-
शोधेपन की हद है.
नहीं, उसने देखा कि बाइडन को ज्यादा एक similar subjects बाइडन ने ट्वीट किया था और उसने किया था. बाइडन got more likes and shares.
Yeah.
And then he said, well, that's not happening. This is my baby. ये मेरी मिल्कियत है. ये मेरा घर है. मेरे बाप का नहीं, मेरा है.
Yeah.
So उसने he made the algorithm promote his tweets more.
Yeah.
So it's all
Everyone
personal.
sees his
याद आता
tweets.
ना खान साहब में big men, small men.
In big offices. But Voina, he got slighted because Biden had that EV electric vehicle conference or discussion, and they didn't call the biggest electric vehicle. So, I mean, I guess Democrats are as much to
वो
blame.
Democrats की बात ही ना.
वो तो
No,
उनकी तो
the
एक और
point
ही
is that it is all about the ego, right? We know that.
Yeah.
Ultimately.
Acha, I know we are short of time as well, but towards the closing end of it, how do you consume news, right? मेरा एक बड़ा simple, मैंने recently एक framework बनाया था जिसमें मैं जब भी कोई headline या कोई news type देखता हूँ, first thing I think about is, will it matter to me or people around me in the next 5 years? If it does, this requires और ना मतलब वही मतलब ये
5 घंटों में सोचते हैं.
हाँ नहीं वही सो अगर ये मेरी जिंदगी को इतना इफेक्ट करेगा कि 5 साल तक करेगा, दिस रिक्वायर्स मोर अटेंशन एज अपोज टू इमरान खान ने आज जेल में क्या खाया, दैट इज something I can just move past very quickly instead of reading through
What
it.
are you consuming the news for, though? Because we consume news for very different purposes.
Okay.
I like to
Yeah,
think.
that's a good question. Yeah, yeah.
I don't
They were the
consume-
wrong people to be asking us questions.
because my entire day is news consumption. But if you want to ask about, I think originally you were alluding to this. What format would I prefer to consume? Do I prefer to consume? my
Yeah,
news?
format as well. And
Always
what-
the written word.
Why?
Because I have control over it. For example, तुम मुझे, unless I'm deeply invested in a topic. Okay. For example, I will not really watch videos on that topic. Why? Because suppose I'm looking for a specific bit of information. अब मैं क्या पूरी 1.5 घंटे की वीडियो देखूंगा उसके लिए, right? With a detailed print article, I can control F and I can read the damn thing.
Yeah.
You know, so it's easier for me, and there's also more depth in it. You know, so I'm not really too much into videos unless I'm looking for a specific soundbite. You know, or for example, Ghaza mein, because whenever I cover Ghaza, it's always very visual. तो उसमें मैं निकालूंगा, but I will always prefer the written word over video content by and large. And that's because it's easier for me. It works for me. As far as what kind of stories, so obviously not just stories that interest me, but stories that when I look at news, it's like, okay, can I use this? Can I cover this? You know, जैसे आज अभी एक खबर आई है कि यहाँ पर कराची में they sealed like about 5-6 illegal ये counterfeit drug factories,
Yeah.
medicine factories.
Yeah.
अब मेरे लिए ये खबर है. हो सकता है कि अगर वो बहुत बड़ा छापा है तो हो सकता है कि मेरी आज की लीड है.
What is your framework to decide whether you want to cover something or not? I think that's a more
Yeah, I
relevant.
find it interesting. We have a WhatsApp group. I toss it in there. फिर हमारे जो बाकी co-hosts हैं, we debate it. Then we think कि अच्छा इसको cover करना है तो किसको उठाएं? You know, कैसे करना है? Then you know things like that. So it's sort of consensual, I suppose. Consensus के साथ होता है.
What about you?
Yeah,
How do you decide at TCM?
So there are two things. One is for my own consumption. वो मैं Instagram पे ज़्यादा करता हूँ, वहाँ मैंने news कम रखी हुई हैं. So I've unfollowed a lot of news. 4-5 pages हैं जो sort of a blogs हैं. So वहाँ अगर कोई चीज़ आती है, then I go to a YouTube या डॉन या और चैनल्स पे टू वो, और TCM के ऊपर तो वी हैव आवर एडिटोरियल सॉर्ट ऑफ टीम मीटिंग्स बिकॉज वी डोंट डू डे टू डे स्टफ. अब हम उससे भी निकल के ज़रा और लेट्स से पहले हम एक्सप्लेनर्स एज एन एग्जांपल हफ्ते में 6 कर रहे थे, अब हम उसको भी हफ्ते में 1 लेके आ रहे हैं कि एक चीज़ करें बट लाइक रियली रियली
मतलब
घुस के करें उसमें, उसके अंदर 4-5 ओरिजिनल इंटरव्यूज, और फिर वी डू लाइक लॉन्ग फॉर्म जो सीरीज है, सो वो तो क्वार्टरली प्लान होता है. अभी एज एन एग्जांपल कपल ऑफ मंथ्स वीक्स बैक वी वर लाइक यार ये जो लैंड माइन विक्टिम्स हैं इनके ऊपर भी बात होनी चाहिए. तो अब वो लाइक पिछले 3-4 महीने से उस पर काम हो रहा है. रिसेंटली वी डिड लाइक द इंटरव्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग. अब आई डोंट नो पब्लिश कब होगा, इन कपल ऑफ मंथ्स. सो उस पर फिर टीम काम कर रही होती है. एंड देन वी हैव वन स्मॉल फॉर्मेट, अगर कोई बहुत ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ टाइप चीज़ चल रही है, जैसे वो कंटेनर से वो बंदे को गिराया उस तरह का, तो वो फिर वी हैव 1 minute टाइप एक्सप्लेनर. बट अगेन इट्स लाइक रियली डिफिकल्ट, क्या करें क्या ना करें, ये वायरल है बट ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो इन दी एंड आई थिंक वो टीम अब उस तरह का एक फ्रेमवर्क हर किसी का बना हुआ है कि वी पिक एंड चूज.
Why does no one do like Johnny Harris walk style,
यार
long form?
उसके लिए आई फील लाइक यू नीड टू हैव अ पर्सनालिटी एज वेल, नॉट जस्ट द कंटेंट. वो अगर एक आम सादा बंदा जिसकी वो रिलेटेबल उस तरह नहीं है, और इट्स आई थिंक वो भी ज़्यादा आई फील लाइक चलता है बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ओन पर्सनालिटी एज वेल.
But their videos are great. Like he explains, like he like, and sourcing is also pretty good.
But again,
He's
if
a brand.
he's a
yeah, I mean, Vox was a brand, and then he branched off.
That's
And
exactly because he became a brand unto himself.
अगर सेम चीज आप सेम टॉपिक विद वॉइस ओवर करो शायद वो इतना ना चले.
Nope, absolutely, and that's why it's important. What we learn from people who've been successful in terms of long form is personalities, personalization, and how you shoot and film. It's how you present that information.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean, I'm a news junkie,
okay,
so I do have a news aggregator app.
which one?
I've started using Ground News.
I use Ground News as well. Yeah.
Because I think it gets me everything. I've obviously tailored it. I look at international news. I look at local news. I look at tech news. I look at offbeat news as well. Everything, and that's my morning.
Okay.
But again, because I'm not a layperson, that means my entire day is taken up by the news, right? So we have an editorial meeting as well. I have a Lahore editor, I have a Peshawar correspondent, I have a Islamabad editor, business, sports, and it is a collective decision. So what is important, and we think of that in terms of what format it should go in. What are people interested in knowing about? And then we think about who is the audience, what format should it be in. We think about what is trending, how can we convert a piece of news into something that maybe somebody who is news agnostic might be interested in, just basically because of the way it's designed or the video is presented. So there's a lot of things that go into that decision making. I listen to podcasts. I obviously
What kind of podcast do you listen to?
So I mean, it's really bog standard. I'm not saying that I would.
Okay.
These are really, so I love the Daily New York Times. I also listen to Al Jazeera.
Okay, yeah.
Because I like the take.
Yeah.
So these are contextual things, but I also, because I already know what's happening in the news, because at Nukta we have access to AFP and Reuters and all of that. So wo to I'm updated, but I do want to see what different news organizations are saying about it, what issues picked up. I'm also listening for maybe experts that I can get or something to learn from. So my day is filled with news and how to present it at every level, really, in every way. Yeah.
Weekends and Tuesdays.
I mean, I think I take maybe an hour or two off with my family.
Yeah.
मगर my husband was just complaining yesterday कि यार मुझे हर रोज रात को ट्रम्प की तुम बात सुन रही होती हो या तुम किसी और की इमरान खान की बात सुन रही होती हो.
Yeah.
मुझे तो नाइटमेयर्स आते हैं. Like, okay, I'll put on headphones.
No, acha, last question. What I wanted to understand from you guys is कि इस वक्त space से कौन सी ऐसी न्यूज़ है या कौन से टाइप की न्यूज़ है या कौन से टाइप की स्टोरीज हैं जिसको कोई नहीं कवर कर रहा, जहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी है. फॉर से इफ समवन वांटेड टू क्रिएट अ न्यू TCM, say your competitor, or say if you could say create a new vertical, what kind of stories do you feel like, say, even conventional media just can't, because of its own, the way they are, can't cover, jiski, which you would like to consume and you would like to hear about?
Well, look, I mean, okay, so easy way out for me in this would be to say human-centric stories. You know, like maybe even something like Humans of New York, but perhaps a little bit more depth. उन्हें बहुत काम लगता है. देखो, for me, I like to cover a lot of innovation. And because you know, जैसे अदीब रिजवी साहब ने कहा था कि इस मुल्क में ना there are islands of excellence.
Yeah.
You know, you will find, I kid you not, इतने लोग हैं doing amazing work and you've never ever heard of them. आपने अभी बात की ना landmine victims की, तो अभी I was just talking to the largest prosthetics distributor in Pakistan.
Bionics, yeah.
No, not Bionics.
अच्छा,
That's another one. Bionics does great work, but on a slightly smaller scale.
Yeah.
अभी तो वो गजा भी भेज रहे हैं.
Yeah, I know.
How many people in the local media covered that story?
Not many.
It was sad.
Yeah.
Okay. हालांकि वो फोन पे तुम कवर कर सकते हो, लेकिन नहीं की. You know, इस तरह की चीजें हैं जो लाहौर में और पंजाब में जो ब्लास्फेमी बिजनेस ग्रुप की कार्रवाइयां हैं. I don't know if anybody is familiar with those.
Well, we did.
Yeah.
We did.
Hamza did it.
Yeah,
Hamza
we
did
did
it. Hamza was one of the main reporters doing it, you know. But again, you know, I mean, कितनों ने किया है? आपने किया है, मैंने किया है, मुनीर जी. I mean, अब ये चीजें अब आ रही हैं सामने, you know, because वो क्या कहते हैं ना, वो खरबूजा भी खरबूजे को देख के रंग पकड़ता है ना.
Yeah.
तो हम भी एक दूसरे को देख के हिम्मत
Also,
पकड़ते हैं.
हाँ, हिम्मत पकड़ने
exactly
हिम्मत
that
पकड़ते
way.
हैं.
That's just, it needs that one person.
One person.
to take that step.
To take that step and they'll be like, okay.
And I actually think it doesn't matter who that person
No,
is.
it doesn't.
Yeah.
Ahmed Noorani started it.
Yeah.
The first reporting on it was on Fact Focus.
Yeah.
Ahmed Noorani में when special पंजाब की special branch ने 21 जनवरी 2024 को ये report शाया की थी. You know, and it's gone on from there. That's a way to cover it. You know, so I mean, it's for me those are the stories. I skim over this political news. It bores me.
It is boring.
It bores.
Because it's also moving at a glacial pace. Like nothing is happening.
ना ही कुछ होगा.
हाँ, एक सही आई अंडरस्टैंड कि वो 1-2-3 महीने थे जिसमें बहुत कुछ हुआ था, 6 महीने थे जिसमें बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ हो गई थी.
There are weeks in which decades happen.
Exactly. But what about you? Like,
Yeah, I think I'll do, let's say if I'm starting a new company, I'll do probably 3 things. One is short explainer videos, like 1 minute or like 90 seconds.
90 सेकंड में explain करनी चीजें is very difficult.
But
Yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah,
but
but
you
you
can.
can. It's hard. Yeah,
मतलब
it's
एक तो
hard.
वो
It's not easy.
लॉन्ग फॉर्म तो आप चलो 10 मिनट तो आप कर ही रहे हो ना, या वो आप
Yeah.
चलो पॉडकास्ट सुन लोगे, कोई शो सुन लोगे. आई थिंक वो मुझे स्पेस लगता है कि उसको उर्दू ज़बान में आप कैसे सादा लफ्जों में लोगों को
But किस तरह की चीजें explain कर, कोई भी चीज है मतलब.
like anything, फिर उसके अंदर like सारे verticals. And then second is definitely human interest stories. Recently I did a poll in my own WhatsApp channel, Talat Podcast वाले में. So I was like 2025 में हम ये कर रहे हैं, should I invite this politician, that blah blah blah. 2,500 लोगों ने कहा कि unsung heroes को बुलाएं.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
I was shocked. Like literally I was shocked. Like I even asked यार entertainment के जो top celebrities हैं उनको बुलाएं. They were like भाई मतलब ठीक है, वो हर किसी को percentage थी. And I think third is a platform where maybe you aggregate सारा का सारा अच्छा content. So Pakistani sort of aggregator.
I think what we need is a Spotify for news.
Yeah.
Like where you have all the news coming through and then
Yeah,
you can
not
just.
your. I mean, I know that there are aggregators out there.
Twitter is kind of like in Spotify
No,
for
it
news,
isn't.
no?
No,
Like
it is not.
it has
Too much,
all,
like,
it has
na,
your
matlab-
video,
And I'll tell,
audio,
no, it
everything
doesn't.
coming
I'll
in
tell
one
you what,
place.
that's one of the things. The problem with Twitter has increasingly become. I used to be on Twitter all the time,
Yeah.
and I stopped because it is also not just incentivizing, disinformation, misinformation, but it's also disincentivizing credible news platforms.
Yeah.
Because you have to exit the platform in order to read the story.
And
or
it
to
doesn't let you-
see the bigger video, right? The longer video. And I think that's a disservice. So it doesn't let you do what you should be. And that's part of the consumption pattern that we have to deal with, which is why websites are no longer as important, right? It is because these platforms want you to stay on the platform, which is why you have to go for the 90-second explainer, why you have to do the vertical. We become a slave to the platform as well. And I mean, yes, we are relatively more independent. We can choose to do more kinds of news that we thought we could that are on the mainstream. Because तो मगर ये अब जो हम सेठों से हम डरते थे, अब हम महासेठ है ना, ये जो Elon Musk और Zuckerberg ये सब.
हाँ.
Yeah. So we're also slightly a slave to them. However, I think that personally, I think I would really love to do more deep dives because that's the kind of stuff I
Yeah.
actually enjoy.
Yeah.
That's the stuff which is why I listen to these podcasts that give me the context. It could just be a conversation with somebody who is on the ground, who understands the issue and explains it to me. I think one of the problems that a lot of and especially Islamabad-based journalists have, because I used to live in Islamabad, is that they assume that people know what the issue is. Most people don't.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why they're so itne tang aa gaye hain political news se, because they think people assume this is important. It's that ecosystem has to break. We have to actually think about the audience doesn't understand it. Dumbify it a little, and I would not even dumbify it. Make them understand the context and why it matters. And you can do that in a carousel. You can do that in a 90-second format. At least you can do that. But I think you have to first stop assuming that this is important.
एक और मुझे चीज़ लगती है कि maybe there is a future for the audio stories on your WhatsApp. So let's say मैं सुबह निकला हूँ, मुझे एक customized किस्म का WhatsApp ऑडियो के अंदर एक चीज आए, hi Della, you might be going here and there, here's a quick blah blah blah, and you know this is like because relatable hai.
So that's what I think, that the conventional mainstream media is so at sea here, because they're just thinking of that formula. The advantage that the legacy media has is that they have archives.
Yeah.
And they can use AI to personalize news, because that's what you're heading towards. Everybody started their own WhatsApp channels, right? Which means, because it is a platform that people use a lot in Pakistan.
It's the same stuff, like.
But I think the personalization, the fact that you have collected, you have reported on so many issues. You know, if somebody once says, okay, so, you know, for instance, this judiciary versus government, Supreme Court mein kya chal raha hai? What's the history of it? You know, a mainstream newspaper or channel has covered these issues, and that AI could actually pick up all of the information and give it to people. And they're just not innovating. It's so frustrating. I mean,
They don't need to. They feel
They don't need, yeah.
They feel they don't need.
They don't feel they don't need it. They don't need to innovate. But, you know, I mean, we new digital platforms like Centrum or Nukta, you know, we're doing that job, but we cannot personalize the way I think where news is heading, because we don't have that deep archive.
Dekho, there's just two final things.
Yeah.
Ek to, coming back to, you know, the social media, or specifically if I were to talk about Twitter, Twitter is a great starting point for stories, for looking for stories. It can never be, should not be an end point. Okay, and I'll give you a very recent small example, nothing super earth shattering. Abhi Islamabad mein, someone threw a baby girl in a kachre ka dher. ठीक है, वहाँ पे वो रो रही थी, कुत्ते भी आ रहे थे, you know, and this some Major Akram, अब मुझे उसका नाम याद नहीं है, he found her and he rescued her. Okay, feel good story, kind of sad, you know, speaks to larger issues. Now you can do a lot with that, because last year the same thing happened with an Islamabad cop, उसने उसको गोद दिया है, right? अब इसको तुम expand करो कि how many children are abandoned in Pakistan, you know? So point is कि I will see that story, I will bookmark it. ठीक है, then I will try to confirm it कि यार ये क्या वाकई हुआ है, and if I want to work with it and I want to add context and you know turn it into a bigger story, I can. I would caution too much against listening to the audience too much as well, because एक मतलब scene है कि you know when Henry Ford made the first automobile, so various journalists asked him कि like, you know, sir, before you made this, did you ask the people what they wanted? And he's like, no. And they said, why? He's like, because if I asked the people what they wanted, they'd say we want faster horses.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's partly arrogance. I think it goes from you can't assume this is what people want.
That's what I'm saying.
It is a combination.
Everything is a combination.
Exactly.
I'm just saying
where you do listen,
देखो,
and you find a way to tell that in an ethical, entertaining
However,
way.
what people will talk about, you see, is within the scope of what they already know. Right? Sometimes
but that's where you find the opportunity. Right?
That's what मैं यही तो कह रहा हूँ ना, तो they only know horses, मैं उनको गाड़ी दे रहा हूँ, यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना यार.
कभी imagine ही नहीं किया.
So listening with innovation basically.
Yes, exactly.
So like, you know,
or finding the gaps.
You know, nothing is absolute. You know, I mean, because okay, taken to its absolute extreme, if I decide that people only want to hear news that is favorable to one political party, does that mean that is what I deliver them? No. Right? So point is कि obviously checks and balances और filters तो आप हर एक चीज पे apply करते हो ना, तो आप इसमें भी apply करते हो.
No, but okay. So at the end, like to just sum it up, we are all in agreement that there's a lot of gap in the stories that are being told today and the stories that people in Pakistan want to consume, right?
And I think there's room for all of it.
Yeah.
To be honest, you see, I mean, देखो अगर mainstream media वहाँ पे नहीं जा रहा, that's great. That creates an opportunity for others.
Exactly.
They can all coexist.
And I think it's great. This competition is healthy.
Yeah,
it's
man.
building an appetite. It's giving you different ways of being informed. the more the merrier.
Yeah, totally.
And fresh perspectives. Yeah.
Instead of people starting their own clickbaity YouTube channels, they need to find employment.
Yeah.
देखो यार, कभी आपका मूड होता है कि मैं फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाऊं घी वाले,
सही बात है।
कभी आपका मूड होता है कि मैं सलाद खाऊं, कभी आप निहारी और केक भी खा
बिल्कुल सही
सकते हैं
बात
ना यार, तो
है।
it's a
स्पेशली व्हेन यू स्क्रोलिंग, उस वक्त आपको कोई, अगर आप बस रिलैक्स कर रहे हो, उस वक्त आपको कोई बड़ी इन डेप्थ बड़ी मजे वो भी आ जाए, तब भी आप उसको स्क्रॉल पास करेंगे, यार मुझे कोई जोक सुनाओ। हाँ, you save it for later. Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes you want junk food for the brain.
Sometimes
Yeah.
I want to listen to people, talking about Onaija.
Yeah,
And sometimes-
I always want to listen to people talking about Naija, by the way. I have a lot of time.
Shabana.
Yeah, exactly. I've seen the same
Mighty.
reel.
तो
80
पता है उसके
times.
पापड़ बिक रहे हैं?
Yes,
अब
I
बन
can
गए
see
उसके
that
पापड़
exactly.
बिक रहे हैं उसके।
And
That's
here's-
the story.
And I
Yeah.
want
That's the
this-
story.
No, but
Yeah.
here's the thing.
Oh.
I was told by a senior journalist, and this is what I mean by assumption. नहीं, ये तो media is catering, is pandering to the audience. That people are interested in knowing more about this
100%.
person
pander करने में
who
कोई
has a
नहीं
great story.
Amriki Khatun
It's a fun
is.
story, यार।
Lighten up.
Nothing, not everything
This
has
is-
to be आज जो मैं रात तक हुकूमत का तख्ता उछलने वाला है, खुदा खौफ करे यार।
Or the world is ending climate change, which is true. But
It
also,
is.
but
But
also,
we're not really talking about
I
that
want
on
to
the
hear.
mainstream media.
I want to
Yeah.
hear what Onaija will say next.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, 20.
अब कोई ये नहीं आपको कह रहा कि आपके 70% बुलेटिन ओनाइजा पे होना चाहिए।
वैसे था एक, मैं तो अपने YouTube पे देख रहा था, सारी जो क्लिक
Oh, that's the
हेडलाइंस थी
algo.
ना, हाँ,
No, that's the algo.
Really?
That's the algo.
Okay.
That
Yeah.
don't be fooled. Digital literacy.
Don't be fooled. My entire algo is all cat videos.
नहीं, मेरे उस पे जो पाकिस्तानी न्यूज़ की सारी थी ना, it was all about अमरीकी
That was the
खातून,
algo. That
अमरीकी
was the
खातून ने
algo.
अब ये कर like I was like wow, okay.
Women did more for Pakistani PR than I think the last
100%,
70 years of the Foreign
100%.
Office.
लोग पूरी दुनिया कह रही थी कि पाकिस्तान में तो जब बस जाओ और इतनी अटेंशन मिलेगी आपको, और everyone's pointing out the number of mics.
You'll have a Shabana and you'll have a team.
Authenticity बिकती है।
That's
Yeah.
exactly it.
You know,
Thank you.
Authenticity
Thank
बिकती
you.
है। You can make a number of these AI stupid generated images and so on and so forth. One human story will.
And I love
Yeah.
this story as well, where I think there was one mainstream organization that tried to be innovative. And what they did was they created these AI reporters reporting from the US. Comment section जो है ना, मैंने पढ़ के मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
YouTube comment section is where truth is told bluntly without
It's a
any
blood bath.
restriction.
And I wouldn't say
I
I
mean-
wouldn't go that far.
I wouldn't go
I
that
mean,
far.
I've seen people notice the smallest things and they just fucking tell you. They don't like filter anything
But I
on
think
it.
that's the innovation that certain mainstream, which is again the podcast or AI reporters. That's not innovation.
That's not innovation,
That's not
yeah.
innovation.
That's
and I'm so
People
glad.
need a human connection. वही जो बात हुई ना कि यार बंदे ब्रांड बन जाते हैं।
Johnny Harris, or Phil Edwards, who I love, by the way. I love his stuff.
Or even like Bill Nye, the science guy. And
Yes,
all of these-
exactly,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
exactly,
वो एक
exactly.
और बंदा था वो बिजनेस वाला, उसका नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. He was also a very big show का.
Yes, I think that's BBC, CNN. CNN.
Anyway, whatever, that guy.
Okay, no. Perfect. Thanks a lot, guys. I know we've gone over time, but I really learned quite a bit from it. And I hope so does the audience. But thanks for taking the time.
Thank you.
All right, no problem, man.
Thank you.